How much should you actually spend on a solar panel for a 12V battery? Because some people are thrilled with the cheap ones while others are disappointed by pricier options. It's a bit tricky, but I've dug deep to help you figure it out. Product number 1, POWOXI 7.5W Solar Charger. The POWOXI upgraded 7.5W solar battery trickle charger caught my attention right away with its sleek design and affordable price of $39.99. With over 6,300 reviews and a solid 4.4-star rating, it's obviously popular. If you want a reliable way to maintain any 12V battery, this is worth a serious look. It doesn't just charge your battery, it protects it from overcharging and damage, which is crucial for those who worry about battery lifespan. With a 2.4 amp output and a conversion efficiency of up to 30%, this panel can keep your battery topped off without fuss. So if you're tired of battery drain on your vehicle or boat, here's why this matters for you specifically. It ensures your battery stays healthy and ready to go. Now, some people complained about the installation being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, once you get past that, it's super easy to use. Just plug it into your cigarette lighter socket or connect it directly with alligator clips. It's a great value for anyone looking to maintain their batteries effortlessly. This is perfect for you if you need a straightforward, low-maintenance solution for various vehicles. Skip this one if you're looking for something high capacity or need to charge multiple batteries at once. For about $40, it's a solid choice. Now, if the installation complaints bothered you, the next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, VoltSet 20W Solar Charger. Next up is the VoltSet 12V Solar Battery Charger. Priced at $43.99, this one offers a bit more power with a 20W output, and it's rated 4.6 stars from about 1,600 reviews. If you're looking for faster charging, this is definitely worth considering. That means less time waiting around for your battery to charge. It works with all kinds of 12V batteries, including LiFePO4 and AGM, making it a versatile option for RVs, boats, and trailers. With its waterproof rating and weather-resistant design, this charger is built to withstand harsh conditions. However, some users mentioned that the setup could be a bit cumbersome due to its adjustable bracket. But honestly, once it's set up, you can just plug it in and forget about it. It has an auto-stop feature when the battery is full, so you don't have to babysit it. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable and powerful solar charger that doesn't require constant attention. Skip this if you need something ultra-portable or if you're on a super tight budget. For under $45, the performance you get is pretty solid. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for off-grid applications. Product number 3, Eco-Worthy 25W Solar Panel. The Eco-Worthy 25W Solar Panel is an intriguing option priced at just $36.99. With a rating of 4.6 stars from more than 700 reviews, it's catching attention for good reason. If you need something lightweight and portable, this is definitely worth a look. Weighing in with a compact design, it's easy to carry and set up, making it perfect for RVs, trailers, and even for powering lights. The waterproof junction box and corrosion-resistant aluminum frame ensure this panel will last through the elements. However, some users have mentioned that the output isn't as high in low-light conditions compared to other models. Here's the thing though, for casual use or as a backup option, it's still a fantastic buy. Just be mindful of your sun exposure. This is perfect for you if you need a portable and budget-friendly charging solution. Skip this if you're looking for high output under all conditions. At $36.99, it offers great value for casual users. Now, if portability is what you're after, the next one might just be the right fit for your needs. Product number 4, Renagi 50W Solar Panel. Coming in strong, the Renagi Solar Panel 50 Watt is priced at $53.69. With an impressive 4.7-star rating from over 650 reviews, it promises reliability and performance. If you need a workhorse for your off-grid applications, this panel is worth your attention. The 50W output allows for faster charging, thanks to its high-efficiency monocrystalline cells. This means you get consistent performance even when the sun isn't shining directly on it. Plus, it's built to last with corrosion-resistant materials and can withstand high winds and heavy snow loads. Now, some users have pointed out that it can be a bit heavier than other options. But honestly, the extra durability is worth it if you're planning to use it in harsh conditions. You want something that will stand the test of time. This is perfect for you if you need a durable, high-output solar panel for more demanding applications. Skip this if you're looking for something lightweight for occasional use. For about $53, the performance-to-price ratio is excellent. Finally, if you're looking for something more compact, the last option might be just right for you. Product number 5, POWOXI 1.7W Solar Charger. Last but not least, we have the POWOXI 12V 1.7W Solar Charger priced at $19.99. With a solid 4.6-star rating from over 650 reviews, it's an affordable option for smaller applications like maintaining batteries. If you're looking for something lightweight and versatile, this one's definitely worth considering. It's waterproof and designed to withstand various weather conditions, which is great if you're planning to leave it outdoors. Plus, the stainless steel flex conduit protects the cables, making it a durable choice for outdoor use. However, some have noted that it's not powerful enough for larger batteries or systems. But here's the thing, if you just need to maintain a smaller battery or you're using it for devices like deer feeders, it does the job perfectly. This is perfect for you if you need a low-cost, effective solution for maintaining smaller 12V batteries. Skip this if you require something for high-capacity batteries. For under $20, it's a great way to keep your batteries healthy without breaking the bank. So we've covered a range of options today, from the affordable POWOXI 7.5W to the powerful Renagi 50W. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, but they all serve a specific need. Whether you're looking for something portable like the eco-worthy or a workhorse like the Renagi, there's definitely a solar panel here that fits your needs. Choose wisely and happy charging.